In the previous video, I have shown you how to track view content event using Facebook Conversion API server-side tracking. Today, I will show you how to track add to cart event from server side. So for doing that, go back to GTM web container that I have created and create a new tag from here and click new, name it GA4SS FB pixel add to cart tag. The tag will be GA4 event and measurement ID is GA4 demo tag ID. Event name should be add to cart. You have to copy it as it is, and the event parameter, first parameter is event ID. Content type, content name, content IDs, hello. Remember that you have to use this as it is because this is a naming convention by Facebook. So event ID is FB, event ID, content type is product, content name is TLV product name, content ID is TLV product ID, content value is TLV product price, and the currency is TLV the currency. Okay. Everything is looking fine. Now it's time to add trigger. The trigger is add to cart trigger. Now click save and publish the changes. Now test it. Click the preview. Continue and select the item. The view item event should be fired now and click add to cart. The add to cart event should fire. It has come from browser and later it will come from server also. Wait for a few seconds. Look, add to cart event has been come from server also. So here and check the value. The value has come properly here. Now look. Alright, in the next video I will show you how to track begin checkout event from server side. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you face any problem or you need any help regarding digital marketing or e-commerce service, then please contact with me. You will find my contact details in the video description below. Thank you.